with his blessings, let's start the event. I welcome Rajamouli sir was here last 2 weeks before, and he promised that he will be here to interact with all of you, along with the star cast. That's what he has done today, and all of you must have seen the trailer yesterday. The visuals, every frame, every shot is like a visual wonder. Karnataka has welcomed the trailer wholeheartedly. If you see, it's rocking. We owned up the film. 24 theaters we played the trailer. I think people were there to watch it again and again. And this is how we welcome all of you, sir, to Kannada film industry. And we all know about our own master storyteller, Rajamouli sir. And if you look at the trailer, that's the synopsis of, when we read, synopsis iratala paಠ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ನಾವು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ರೈಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಈಗ. ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂರಿಯಸ್, ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಇಸ್ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ January 7th. Thank you, sir, for giving us the reason to celebrate festival 1 week in advance. Second, I also welcome Junior NTR sir, young Tiger NTR, that's what we call it as. Call him as. The true justification for young Tiger NTR has been done in this trailer. When Tiger and you roared, your roar was louder. So thank you. You have great fans. We have to cut a lot of them. I know they may be missing. I'm very sorry for the people who could not make it, because we wanted this event to be very smooth. We will, if the COVID protocols permit, we'll do larger gathering, bigger function with all of you soon. I also welcome Ram Charan avarge. Sir, you are rocking as Alluri Sitaramarazu. Everybody's DPS, if you see, from the fire that you are coming with bow and arrow is what is getting reflected. Warm welcome. And Mutta Mestri, you know, is a bigger success here there in Andhra. And Magadira was biggest hit people have seen from your side in Karnataka. We also welcome most talented, most beautiful Alia madam here, and Danaya garu, producer of the movie, and acknowledge the presence of Rama garu and of Kartikeya garu, and also Manohar Naidu garu from Lahari's family. With this, I request the trailer to be played before we start the proceedings. Thank you.
Alia Bhatt avರಿಗೆ And may I request Nisha madam to please come on dais and do the honoring, please. Thank you, Nishama, and once again welcome. Thank you. And Venkat sir ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆ ಹುಲಿ ಮುಂದೆ ರೋರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಏಕೈಕ ನಟ ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ಅಲ್ಲ. Let's hear it for young Tiger NTR, please. And may I request Venkat sir to please do the honoring. Welcome to Bangalore, sir. And ಒಬ್ಬ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಇಂದ ರಾಮನಾಗಿ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಹೀರೋ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಂತ ಮೆಗಾ ಪವರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ರಾಮ್ ಚರಣ್ ಸರ್. ವೆಂಕಟ್ ಸರ್, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ನೀವು. ಇಂಥ ಅದ್ಭುತ ಸಿನಿಮಾನ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ದಾನಯ್ಯ ಸರ್, may I request you to please come on stage. And the last time he said very important 3 words, sir. Very special 3 words, not RRR. He said all the best, sir. So let's welcome Danaya sir and Venkat sir. Yes, Manohar sir from Lahari. ಅವರು Danaya sir ನ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಗಾರ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೂಲಕ. I request everyone to kindly take seats. Pressure questions ಕೇಳೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. Rajmouli sir, the last time you were here in Bangalore, you said that you are here to share your emotion, the anthem of RRR, that is Janani. And from that day till today, we've been waiting to hear your words, sir. First of all, congratulations on this brand and huge success of trailer. Because ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ನಮಗೆ ಬರೀ RRR trailer ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. How happy are you, sir, as a maker?
Hello. Yeah, obviously super happy. Tumba Santosha. I can't express in words how happy I am. Obviously, that's like, as a filmmaker, that's what we look forward to. The love from the audiences, their happy shouts, their happy screams, and we got that in abundance for our trailer. Can't be happier.
Yes. Thank you, sir. And Alia Avare, namaskara. And welcome to Bangalore. Is this your first trip to Bangalore? No. You keep coming here.
Keep coming. Yeah, but I've been to Bangalore many times, especially for films. But definitely first time for South.
Yeah. So how excited are you?
I think words can't express how excited I am. It's been from the very first day when I was the chosen one to be a part of an S.S. Rajamouli film. It is a dream come true for any actor to be directed by him and represented by him. So yeah, I wouldn't say too much. I have immense gratitude in my heart, and I think I'm one of those people who was screaming and shouting while I was watching the trailer, even though I'm part of the film, because I was so excited and just, I was telling Sir, I said he just knows exactly what to make an audience feel. You go up, you go down, you go side, you go left, you go round, you go. It's like a roller coaster of emotions and thrill and excitement. So I'm really looking forward to the release and, to the experience of the audience experiencing it.
And I must say, you look stunning on screen, stunning. So I just have a small request. We have all Kannada fans. They would really want to hear you speak 2 words of Kannada. If you don't mind, if I can teach you, please.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
My tutor. The best. Thank you so much, Alia. And NTR sir, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ NTR ಸರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಾಮಚರಣ್ ಸರ್, ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಅಮೇಸಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸರ್. ನೀವಿಬ್ಬರು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿರೋದು ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಇದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸರ್, ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಶೋ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ಹಿ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅವ್ರ ತಾಯಿ ಬಂದು ಕುಂದಾಪುರದವರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಕನ್ನಡನ ಟ್ರೈಲರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಂತೋಷ ಇದೆ ಸರ್?
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡೋ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಮೈ ಮಾಮ್ ವಾಸ್ ಬಾರ್ನ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್. ಬಟ್ ಆದ್ರೇನು ಮಾತಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ತಪ್ಪುವಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಷಮಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಬಟ್ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದು, ಜೊತೆ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಬರೋದು ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಈಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಫ್ಯಾನ್, ಮೂವಿ ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ರಾಮಚರಣ್ ಸರ್, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿರಂಜೀವಿ ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಹಿಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ನೇಹಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ನೇಹ ಪ್ರೀತಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ, ಚಿರಂಜೀವಿ ಸರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರವಿಚಂದ್ರನ್ ಸರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈಗ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ನೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ದೋಸ್ತಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಶಿಪ್. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾನ ಡಬ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಂತೋಷ ತಂದ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಸರ್?
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ,
ತುಂಬಾ
ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆಲ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೈ ಡಬ್ಬಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ garu,
ವಾವ್.
and he really pushed me to speak, and ఎంత ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఉంటుంది కన్నడలో మాట్లాడితే అనేది టుడే when I saw this experience on big screen, I felt it. Thank you so much for making me dub in Kannada. Means I can see what an impact it can create. And ఇందాక వెంకట్ సార్ చెప్పినట్టు బుటా మేస్త్రి సినిమా గురించి నాన్నగారి రిలేషన్షిప్ ఉంది. అండ్ ఫర్ మీ టు అగైన్ కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు దిస్ ఆడియన్స్, యు ఆర్ ద మోస్ట్ లాయల్ ఫ్యాన్స్ అవుట్సైడ్ in the south, outside APND. Thank you so much. We are always indebted to you. Love you all. Love you.
Thank you, Ram Charan sir. As a fan, I have a small request, NTR sir ge matte Ram Charan sir ge. As I said, the whole nation is celebrating Dosti Rajamouli sir. So once on stage, that signature handshake of yours and Ram Charan sir, if that can happen on stage, it will be history.
Well, is Rajamouli going to say action? Action.
Wow, it will be amazing. Sir, once again, action sir, please.
Okay, and action.
ಮೊಬೈಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾಡಿ.
Woo! Woo!
Yeah,
Thank you.
We'll start the question.
Yes sir, thank you so very much. And now, the press. Sir, ನಿಮ್ಮ questions ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು sir. Mike ಕಳಿಸಿ.
Please send one mic there. Yes.
My question is to Junior NTR sir. ಸರ್, ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿಯವರು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮೂಲದವರು, ಕುಂದಾಪುರ ಮೂಲದವರು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು 2-3 ವೇದಿಕೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ದಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡಬ್ಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಯ್ಸು ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? ಜೊತೆಗೆ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಡಬ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟಿಪ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿಯಿಂದ ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತ್ರ ಅಂತ, ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆ ಕೊಡದ್ರ ಅಂತ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ರೀ, ಮಾಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡು ನೀನು, ನಮ್ಮೂರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಕಡೆ ಪಕ್ಷವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ ನೀನು, ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೇನು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಶಿ ಸೈಡ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ವರದರಾಜ್ garu, ಅವರು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಟ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಆಗಿ, ಒಂದು ಗುರು ಆಗಿ ಅವರು ತುಂಬ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್.
ಸೂಪರ್ ಸರ್. ಇದು ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತಾ ಅಥವಾ ಕನ್ನಡ ವರ್ಷನ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಉದ್ದಕ್ಕೂ ನಿಮ್ದೇ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ?
ನನ್ನದೇ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ.
ಸೂಪರ್ ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Hi sir. Hello. Hi sir. This is Syed Hidayat, journalist from New Film Channel. Sir, my question is NTR sir ಗೆ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ RRR ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಮ್ ಚರಣ್ ಸರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ತುಂಬಾ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ತರ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನೆನಪಾಗೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪು ಸರ್ ಜೊತೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಒಂದು ಹಾಡು ಹಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್, ಗೆಳೆಯ ಗೆಳೆಯ.
It's actually a very disturbing thing for me. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಪುನೀತ್ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಶೂನ್ಯ ಮಾದರಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಒಂದು ಶೂನ್ಯ ನನಗೆ. ಬಟ್ ವೆರೆವರ್ ಹಿ ಇಸ್, ಅವ್ರ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರಬೇಕಂತ ನಾನು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಈ ಹಾಡು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ I will never sing it, but this will be my first and last. ಗೆಳೆಯ ಗೆಳೆಯ ಗೆಲುವೆ ನಮದಯ್ಯ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಏನು ಜೊತೆಯಾಗಿರುವ ಹೀಗೆ ಎಂದೆಂದು. Wherever he is, his blessings should always be on us.
Thank you so much.
ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್, ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್, TV9 ಕನ್ನಡ నుంచి మీరు ಸೀಸನಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀರಾ ಇಂಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ನ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಸರ್ ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ? ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಏನು ಜೊತೆಗೆ?
I don't know. See, I'm not very sure of my successes. For me, every film is like my first film. So I realized to whatever we write, whatever we think in our mind, finally that emotion, that story has to get conveyed to the audience through the faces of the actors. So if you ask me what is my success, I will say one of my success is that I select the best actors to play the roles of my characters. For instance, in this I have Komaram Bheem and Alluri Sitaramraju, Ram and Bheem. And it's very important for me to select the right actors for that. And I have fantastic actors, NTR and Charan, to play those characters. And I have Adia Bhatt, who plays a very crucial role when we have these kind of high energy characters on the screen. There needs to be a person who can, control them or unite them or be a bridge between these two forces. So it is very important to select the actors. I think one of the successes is that I was able to select very good actors for my films.
ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ದಟ್ ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಸಿಗ್ನೇಚರ್ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್, ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್, ಆ ಗೂಸ್ ಬಂಪ್ಸ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ಲು ಕೂಡ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಇತ್ತು. So as a director, all those sequences, elements, is that the driving factor for you to direct a movie, or all elements you keep in the movie to make it a completely pulling factor for the audience to come to theater?
Okay, let me put it like this. When I first start off the story in the initial movements, is obviously the movements that will make me go wow. Now, it's not about the audience. At that point of time, I don't think of the audience. At that point of time, I think only of myself. Am I going wow? Will I be so interested in putting my time into this venture and then getting those thoughts on the screen? Because all the thoughts of mine are larger than life. So it will take a lot of time to put them on screen the way I imagined it. So my question to myself is that, is the wow factor so big that I will invest 2 years or 3 years of my time in this particular story? If my yes goes for all those high moments, then I go for them. Obviously, those high moments will make me go forward with the project. But it is not just a high. It is not just the elevations. No, there should be an emotion that supports the elevation. Without that emotion, the high will not be a high at all. You'll just see once and this is nice, and it will just fall flat. The emotion should be there at underneath, and every action piece. I was telling last time also, even a song like Natu Natu, Halli Natu song, which is such a mass number with 2 mass heroes, even that has a lot of emotion underneath it. Without emotion, I cannot, my film will not function. Thank you.
Hi sir, this is from here, right side of you. Yes, this is Harshavardhan from Music in Kannada. We know that this movie is inspired by Komaram Bheem and Alluri Sitaramraju. How much of the movie is created or inspired, and how much of the movie is real instinct based?
See, the inspiration for the movie is not just the characters or the freedom fighters themselves, but it is their undying spirit. That is I'm fully inspired by that. But as a story, the story is completely fictional. Not even one scene, not even one shot is history. Everything is fictional. But if you look at the spirit that with the fierceness that they fought against the British for the independence, that fierceness is completely real. That is what we got inspired from, and that is what you see in the film. Thank you.
Halya,
Hi. Satish from Raj News. I have a question for Alia. Alia, you said ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಪುಣ್ಯ ಕೆಲಸ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ. Means you said like I'm lucky for working with Rajmouಳಿ sir. How was the experience in movie? Because looking very beautiful in that movie, we feel like you look like Aishwarya Rai in that movie actually. Yeah.
Thank you. That's a huge compliment. It was a very, very, and it's still a learning experience. Even now, of course, it was a dream come true, as I've mentioned. I was very nervous because I'm speaking a language that I've just learned for the film. So I was very nervous if I'll be able to emote at the right point, will I take the right pauses, will I be able to, hold the power and importance of the lines, because I got the translation and they're very important, whatever I'm delivering, and it's, for me, I'm like want to be the A+ student. I want to live up to my director's expectations. But honestly, when I went on set, sir made it so easy for me because he knows exactly what he wants. Right, and every line, every emotion, the way he would come and direct me, the things he would say really pushed me as well. He calls him Jakarna, right? Which is a sculptor, because he wants that perfection. Like, I couldn't agree more, because he will really push you to your optimum limit so you can get that right emotion and deliver that on screen. But it was such a learning experience to understand we don't call him a master storyteller for no reason. He genuinely loves stories.
ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈಗ ಯಾವಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೆನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಮೇಕ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ವಿತ್ ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್, ಯಾವಾಗ ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್ ಜೊತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಿರ್ಮಾಪಕರಾಗಿ?
ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಗೆ ಕೇಳಬಾರ್ದಮ್ಮ.
ನಿಮಗೆ
No, you should not ask that question.
His answer is that.
The question is direct to Rajmouಳಿ sir, not to me.
ಸರ್ ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಡೆಸಿಷನ್ ತೊಗೊಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅವರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಕಾಣಿಸೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ವಿಸಿಲ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಆದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಅದ್ರ ಹಿಂದೆ ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್ದು ವಿಷನ್ನು, ಡೆಡಿಕೇಶನು, ಕಮಿಟ್ಮೆಂಟು, ಆ ಶ್ರಮೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಏನೇನು ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಹ್ಯೂಜ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಅಡ್ಮೈರರ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಸ್ generally the way he leads his life, simple living, high thinking and the value systems and all of that. ನನಗೇನಂದರೆ ಪರ್ಸ್ನಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸು, ಜ್ಯುವೆಲ್ರಿ, ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಬಲ್ಸ್ಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಆಸ್ತಿ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತೇನಂದರೆ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್ ವಿತ್ ಹಿಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇನ್ ದೇರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಫೀಲ್.
ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲೂ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಹೀರೋ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್? ಸರ್ ಎప్పుడు మా ಕನ್ನಡ
ಓಕೆ, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಕೇಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಸರ್, ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲೂ ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ. ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಹೀರೋಗಳನ್ನ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ನಿರ್ಮಾಪಕರು ಕೂಡ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ?
See, you are from which?
TV9 Kannada.
TV9 Kannada. Okay. Now I can answer the question. The moment I answer that question, your heading will be Rajmouಳಿ wants to work with such and such star. You won't tell anything about RRR. RRR will go down. That will be the heading. So I will not answer that question. After RRR is done, then I will come. Then we can have a chit chat. Then I will answer that question. But now I will.
ಸರ್, మీరు ಮಿಕ್ಕಿ ರಾಮ್ ಚರಣ್ ಸರ್ ಯಂಗರ್ ಬ್ರದರ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಅಣ್ಣ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಆ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಸರ್? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ರೋಲ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ.
Like Rajmouಳಿ said, like Charan just said, Alfred Hitchcock's famous quote, when magic starts working, logic ends. So I just called him Anna. And I like also calling him Anna because he getting my age down in front of him is a good thing. And I'm not too old than him, it's just probably 1 year. Sorry, 1 year.
1 year?
Really, 1 year.
ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್, ಲೋಕೇಶ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ನಿಂದ. ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ, ತೆಲುಗು ನಾಡಿನ ಎರಡು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮನೆತನ, ಚಿರಂಜೀವಿ ಸರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ NTR ಸರ್, ಇಬ್ಬರು ಮನೆತನದ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಟ್ ಹೇಳೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಇತ್ತು ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರೆಸರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು?
Yeah, of course. They traditionally belong to the superstar families. Traditionally, there has been a big rivalry between the fans for the past 25-30 years. And now I am choosing to make a film with both of them together in the film. That is a challenge. Obviously, that is a challenge. But for me, luckily, apart from the rivalry between the fans, irrespective of RRR, they have been very good friends. In real life, they have been very good friends, and they have no ego hassles between them. No, that is a big plus for me. So I thought, like, if I can translate that friendship, if I can translate that camaraderie between what in real life, what I see the friendship between those two, if I can translate that onto the screen, then I thought I will not have any issue with the fans. Now, if you see, we already released the trailer. Now, people have been thronging the theaters just to see the trailer. Even in Karnataka, they released it 24 screens, 25 screens, and screens were full. Even here, they have lots and lots hardcore fan following. But there is not even one single instance where there is a fight between the fans. No, Charan fans are saying Charan is super, NTR is also super. NTR fans are saying our Anna is super, but Charan sir is also super. It is because they can see the friendship, they can see the emotion between them on the screen, and that translates into the success of how I can bring both the stars, rival stars into one story, onto the same screen.
So my name is Abhishek and I'm from News First. This question is to the actors of the movie. ಒಬ್ಬ ಲೇಖಕ ಕತೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರದೇ ಆಗಿರೋಂಥ ಒಂದು ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಅಂತ ಥಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ದೋಸ್ ಥಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಯೋರ್ ಬ್ರೈನ್ಸ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ದ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಥಾಟ್ಸ್. ಹೌ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ತ್ರೀ ಗೈಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಯೋರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಟು ಶೋ ಯೋರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್? ದ ಐತಿಹಾಸಿಕ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಪೌರಾಣಿಕ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಹೌ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಥಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್?
See, that's what yesterday when we were in Mumbai, a question like this was asked. Was it difficult, or what was your prep to play characters like this, which have historical importance? See, as Indians, as citizens of this country, a lot has been said to us when we were kids. Stories ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. They've said these stories to us. We grew up listening to stories of these powerful people who've made India possible. So unknowingly or knowingly, it's injected into our blood and our nerves. So when a director like Rajamouli comes up with a story like this, where you're playing characters of historical importance, I really feel that there's not a lot of prep which is happening. It becomes so instinctive because you know these people, you grew on them. So for me, it was very prompt rather than working for it. No, this is about me. Now she will answer.
No, you're absolutely right. But one of the first things that Sir said to me in our meeting was that it's very important that you look the part, because Sita is very loved, and it's very important that I represent her. We've understood that in his films the authenticity comes through. It's not like he'll just do something just to put it in. So it has to be extremely authentic. So 50% in my opinion is the look, for which Rama ma'am, sir worked very hard, and I just showed up. The other part was for me to prepare the language, for which I produced for I think 1 year and 3 months. I was just saying the lines again and again and again and again. And I would do that only because I don't want to be thinking about what I'm like, the way I'm speaking while I'm speaking, and I want to be thinking about the emotion. But speaking about the preparation, I prefer to always come a clean slate for the director. Because if I come with too many preconceived notions, he gave me few words of her spirit, of her innocence, of her strength, of her vulnerability. I embodied that, and then I want to just be directed, go here, go there. Because otherwise, if you come too set with your preconceived notions, it becomes difficult for you to unlearn it. So as I said before, I was doing the learning on set.
Venkat sir, a question ನಿಮಗೆ
One second. I think Ramcharan sir is yet to answer. Yes. Yeah.
So, I completely agree 100% to what Tarak said. Extension of that, I also believe this was again a fresh 2 characters or 3 characters we played, because it's a thought that it's inspired from the freedom fighter, but it's fictionally created, the whole characterizations. So it was easy for us because we didn't have to take the pressure of the legendary freedom fighters onto us, but taking the spirit of them, like Rajmouli sir said, we are falling into a fictional cinema. So it was again very considerably easy for us.
Sir, which is your favorite film of Rajmouli sir and Superstar who is presented now here?
ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರು
No, I'm asking which is your favorite film of the Rajmouli sir and the NTR sir and the Ramcharan sir?
ನನಗೆ answered.
Yeah, on behalf of everyone, Alia has answered. It's RRR.
Rajmouli sir. But I still want to share, when Simhadri got released, ನಾನು ಈಶ್ವರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಸರ್, ಇದು ನಾವು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಶೋಗೆ. ಅದು ಮಲಯಾಳಮಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಾಂಗ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, Singamala ಅಂತ. Everybody is like, they're all getting into the character. And before the movie got over, half of the theatre got out, bought the matinee tickets and sat there only. Sat, including me, of course. I've seen it morning show matinee. That was the kind of craze. Of course, the 100-man episode of Magadira. These 2 are my all-time favorite movies, Simhadri and Magadira. But as of now, it's RRR. And thank you. Please ask direct all your questions to Rajmouli sir and Starcast. We all will be here. We'll keep meeting.
So Rajmouli sir, ವೆಂಕಟ್ ಸರ್, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಕೇಳಿ ಸರ್, ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ RRR ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ತರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ?
ನಮಗೆ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್, ಪ್ಯಾಷನ್, ಮುಂದೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್, ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೀರೋ ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೀರೋ ಯಾರು?
ನಾನು.
It's the director. The maker is the real hero.
Rajmouli sir, BTV News.
The hero of the film, I would say, is the thought that we should be independent and we should be the rulers of our own on our own land. The thought, the freedom thought, is the hero of this film. If you ask me, I would say that's the right question. Right answer. Sorry.
ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್, BTVಯಿಂದ ನಾರಾಯಣ್ ಅಂತ. ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಇಟ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ನೀವು ಗೆಲುವಿನ ಸರದಾರ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಹಿಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನೋ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟು, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬಜೆಟು, ಮತ್ತು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಅಥವಾ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ? ಅಂದರೆ ಈ RRR ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಕೂಡ ಆ ಥರ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ, ಅಥವಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬಜೆಟ್ ಇದೆ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಹಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ? ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾದ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಕಾರ?
Emotion. I would say, like I said, I have fantastic stars, pan-Indian stars. I have a lot of budget, lot of visual effects, a lot of money has been spent. But everything will only help me in getting the audience to the theatre. Once they step into the theatres, once the lights are switched off, once the film starts projecting onto the screen, people will not remember all these things. People will be seeing what we are showing on the screen. Within 5-10 minutes, NTR will disappear, Ramcharan will disappear, Ajay Devgan, Alia Bhatt will disappear. Now it will be Komaram Bheem, it will be Allur Sitaramaraju, it will be Sita. No, it is the characters that they start seeing. And if people get invested in those emotions, with those characters, then only the film will succeed. The stars or money is not going to make the film succeed. They will only bring the audience to the theatre. That's what I believe.
ದಾನೇಶ್ ಸರ್, ನಿಮಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. ಈಗ ರೀಸೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಆಂಧ್ರ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟು ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ತಂದಿದೆ, ನಿಮಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅದು. ಅಂದರೆ 4 ಶೋ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಆದರೂ, ಮತ್ತು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತು ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ರೇಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. సో ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ సినిమా కలెక్షన్కి ఎఫెక్ట్ ఆగుతా అంట?
డెఫినెట్గా ఎఫెక్ట్ అవుతుందండి. ఇంకా స్టిల్ ట్రై చేస్తున్నామండి ఎక్స్ట్రా షోకి, ఫ్లెక్సీ రేట్లకి. గవర్నమెంట్ రెస్పాండ్ అవుతుందని ఎదురు చూస్తున్నాం.
Rajmouli sir, we just have 5 minutes more left. I just wanted to inform. Thank you.
Ankita from Canlish. Congratulations, first of all. The best trailers from the world cinema so far. Nan prashne for 3 of you, Alia and Ramcharan sir and Junior NTR sir, about Rajmouli sir, because when we watch his movies on screen, it is pure magic for the fans and the audience. But when the shooting process happening, when something is not happening according to him, scene wise or something, is he a strict master or cool dude? How is he as a director?
He is torturous. He's not strict, he's not cool, he's torturous.
I want the answer from 3 of you.
I mean, I really think she can't say that.
No, he didn't. It was lovely.
For her, it was lovely. But for us, it wasn't lovely. She wasn't in that Hallinatu song. For her, she's very happy. We went through that torture there.
I remember Hallinatu, because of COVID rules in India and also some location, Mia from location, he took us all the way to Europe. And in Europe, while he was shooting other scenes, I said then, Tarak, why did we come so early? Because we already rehearsed in Hyderabad. He said, all you have to do is wake up. It's not a holiday of 7 days. 7 days, each day, 6 hours or 7 hours, we were rehearsing. Sorry, 10 days. So, I think he's the only director who's taken the artist to another country to only rehearse for 10 days. And then if he's satisfied for next, on the 11th day, he said he'll shoot. If not, the continuation of the practice would have happened. For the 12th day, 13th day.
No, he's like that. You can ask even Ramagar also. As a husband also, he's like that. He wants something, that's all. What do you do? He wants it.
One of the steps.
And look at it.
One of the steps I think you will see, he did it for 17, 18 takes. Because Tarak has a style of dancing. I have a style of dancing. But I remember him saying, both have to become one style, that is Rajmouli style.
So he wouldn't say Rajmouli style, but we'll have to figure it out.
Yeah, it's his style.
And when we shot for our action sequences, it was, oh my God. I've never seen him like this, ever. In the 20 years I've known him, I've never seen him like this.
Rajmouli sir, would you accept that, sir?
Yes, he has to give me that.
Okay, I'll ask, did I ever shout on them? Yes or no?
Yeah, it's
Did I ever
yes or
shout
no.
on them? No. And then, did I show my frustration on them?
There is there is
yes.
When he shouts, it's
Every
better.
time he asked for one more was a frustrated soul. You were a frustrated director.
No, there is a lot of power in silence. That's what he maintained.
No. He asked for one more. I disagree.
Okay. Are you enjoying the success of Hallinatu?
Yes.
Result of it, of course.
Then,
Yes.
Then you have nothing to complain about.
Okay. She asked, I just said, that's all. I'm not complaining.
ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್, ಮಂಜು ಫ್ರಮ್ ವಿಜಯವಾಣಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್. ಸರ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾದ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬೋನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ವಿಜಯೇಂದ್ರ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಅವರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ. ಸೊ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ.
Obviously, he is the story writer. All along, I was telling you how important the story is in different aspects, and when he is the story writer of the film, the story is such thing that actually, when you see a film, you don't see the story. You see the emotions, but all those emotions are built on like a building. No, we don't see the foundation. You only see the building. But the foundation is what makes the building happen. Like that, like you correctly said, the story is the backbone, the story writer is the backbone. Like all my films, this is also what happens. But if you actually talk about torture, you should ask my father how I tortured him. What torture I gave them is nothing compared to what torture I gave to my father.
ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯತೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯತೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಿಬಲ್ ಅಜಯ್ ದೇವಗನ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರ ಒಂದು ರೋಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ?
That is a huge impact that he will create. I think the source of the film starts from that character. And you will see on the film what an impact that he will create. It will be very difficult to take it out of your heart, the impact that he creates.
I think in one question, ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್.
ನವೀನ್ ಚಿತ್ತಾರಂಗಡಿಯಿಂದ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಇದು ಇಂಥ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳನ್ನು ಡಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್ಗೆ, ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಮೇಕರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಅಲ್ಲ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ? ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು?
I think every successful film, irrespective of whether it's a dubbed film, whether it's a straight film, whether it's another language film, success of a film creates a positive impact on the industry. See, in Telugu film industry, we have been taking dubbed films from Tamil, from Kannada, from Malayalam, from Hindi, from English for lots of years. Now that made us compete. So suppose like Shankar Sir's film is coming, that used to come with a huge budget, right? We never had that kind of budget. So how do we compete with Shankar Sir's films? That made us think even more harder, work even more harder to compete with those films. That made us better, and our markets also increased because of that. So I don't see any kind of negative impact that happens because of other films coming into our state. I always think a success of a film will create a positive impact on the entire industry, be it creative-wise, be it economy-wise, be it financial-wise, in every aspect. I think it creates a positive impact.
Sir, last question. Sir, last. Yes, last.
Rajmouli sir. One question, sir. Rajmouli sir.
It's the last question.
Yeah, last question, please.
Last.
ಸರ್ ರಾಜಮೌಳಿ ಅವರು ಕನ್ನಡ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಈಗ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಾಹುಬಲಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಸುದೀಪ್ ಅವರು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಕೂಡ ಆದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಸುದೀಪ್ ಅವರು ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಬೋದಾ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ
no, see, in Bahubali, I wanted a character, and because Sudeep is my close friend, I asked him would he be interested, and he liked being a part of the story that I said, and he came and did it. There are no financial aspects in that. So see, I don't pick actors based on financial aspects. I will never do that. The moment we start doing that, then we are giving more importance to the economy than the story. We should never do that. I will never do that.
Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Can we have the photo sessions on stage? Can we have the photo sessions on stage, please? Everybody silence, please. ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. Can these tables be removed?
Okay, 1 second, photo op, please.
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಫೋಟೋ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫೋಟೋ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ? ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
ಸಿಗ್ತೈತೆ ಫೋಟೋ.
ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. ಒಂಚೂರು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಫೋಟೋ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಸರ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಎವ್ರಿವನ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. Please clear the stage, please. ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂಚೂರು ಹಿಂದೆ, few steps back, please, few steps back. Yes, thank you.
Hello, little back please, that's good. 2 steps. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಇದೆ. 2 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೆಂಡು ಮಾತ್ರ, 2 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. Go back 2 steps man.
Sir, 2 steps, sir. 2 steps back.
Sir, clear out right now.
Please. All right. Yes, thank you.
Camera.